This is another pandemic traveler video from Bondi, and we're at Bondi Beach, and I'm here today with my mate Mel. Woo! Alright, so we're going to show you around a little bit. Bondi is one of the most iconic Sydney beaches. It's got a few things going for it. It's got a skate area, a skate ramp with a bowl and stuff like that. It's also got the famous Bondi Beach lifesavers.
Heaps of chicks.
Okay. It's got beautiful views. It's got a rock pool, if you like a swimming pool on the side of the beach, if you really don't want to go into the ocean water, if you're a little bit scared. It's got these really nice grassy knolls, as you can probably see over here, for people having, little picnics. Maybe they bring a bottle of wine, bring the kids, just enjoy the view of the beach and the nice sea breeze. Anything you want to put in there?
And the ladies.
Alright. Any beach is good for a bit of eye candy. Alright, so we'll walk over a little bit more to the sand and I can show you a bit more of the beach. Because it's got sort of like this promenade. We're on sort of like the promenade sort of thing. You can walk. Maybe we have to climb down, I don't know, we've done something wrong here. But yeah, so we're sort of in the car park sort of area. It's really expensive. But yeah, a lot of people like to run down here and walk across here. We'll head over to the stairs and show you a bit of down there and across the beach so you can get a bit of the view. Or a bit more of the view anyway. Alright, we'll head down to the stairs and get down to the beach walk. So here we've got down to the promenade and I'll show you the famous Bondi Lifesavers Surf Club, or not the surf club, but where the lifesavers sit to run out and protect the beach. You've probably seen that on Bondi Life Rescue, or Bondi Rescue, I think that's actually what it's called. They do a really good job, doing their best to make sure people on holidays and just people in general get to go home and have a nice day and then go home. I'll show you a bit of the view of the rest of the promenade and the beach. You're probably sick of staring at my head for now. So we'll stop, give them a little bit of a view of the water, the beach. So today the waves aren't too big. Some days there are some really big waves here. It's not one of my favourite beaches to swim at all. It's just one of the most famous ones in Sydney. A lot of the time the sand is completely packed full of people. I think there's a lot better places to swim, but if you are on a holiday to Australia, it is somewhere where you'd want to say that you've been to and have a little bit of a look around. The water's really clean, sand is clean, as you can see. They actually have these sort of tractor machines that come in every day early in the morning and run through all of the sand to make sure there's no little bits of glass, needles or anything that can hurt you in the sand, and really cleans it, picks up all the debris and things like that. It's a little bit expensive to park around here, so what me and my friends like to do is you park about, I don't know, a 5 to 10 minute walk away from the beach, maybe 3 streets back. You might still have a time limit on the parking, but it's not going to be metered. And down near the beach, the metering is very expensive. It's probably around $7 an hour, which is not something I'm comfortable with paying when I can walk 7 minutes and save that money. Gotta save that money. Ooh, gotta save that money. Here's Calabrese, you can't get $1 out of them.
Save every cent.
Save every cent. Alright, so you want to continue on a little bit of a walk?
I cry poor. I'm poor. What money? What are you talking about? I got no dollars. Take your money somewhere else.
You got $1?
I'll buy that for $1.
guy, look puppy.
Ran.
Glad to know. It is funny. Enjoy it. No. It is funny. Recess laugh. It's funny.
They've got a little hire shop up here in case you want to rent some beach chairs, maybe rent or buy a rashi, which if you don't know what a rashi is, it's one of those shirts that is hanging up on the side there. You can also get sunscreen, surfboards, bodyboards, things like that. And the chairs. Don't really see anyone using them, but anyway. A little bit further down here, there's like a little grassy area with some exercise equipment, like some bars and stuff if you want to do chin-ups or, you know, exercise next to the beach after or before your swim, get a little bit of a pump on. So when we get down there, I'll show you a little bit more of that. We're coming up to the exercise equipment little part of the beach now, so I'll give you a look at that. And I might even see how many chin-ups I can do and get my friend to videotape for me or hold the camera. But don't be surprised if I can't do too many because we've had a couple of beers.
Yeah. Make me a pump. Go.
We'll see. We'll see. So this is the area. There's not too much, just a few bars, dip bar. I think that's about it. And this thing over here for like doing your sit-ups. Yeah, something for sit-ups. You hook your feet under here and you do your decline sit-ups. And over here I think this is for doing your dips as well as the dips over here. So here, cuz, what are you going to count for me? What do you reckon, how many dips? Yeah, Habib, hold the camera. Or you want to... Hey, you're filming, bro. Come on. Don't muck around. How many dips you reckon? How many dips, bro? Yes.
20.
20 dips. You're filming really bad, bro. 16. I could do more, but, you know, I am wearing a tight shirt.
My filming skills aren't up to date.
It's point and shoot, so wherever it looks like it's pointing, that's, you know, it's point it and shoot. Do some wide chin-ups. I'll do that. So yeah, basically you can come and do a little bit of exercise down here. It's a nice little spot to do it. Bit of a nice view. Never know who you might meet down here. Thanks for filming, bruv. Alright. Well, we might call that the end of the video because I'm a little bit puffed right now. So once again, this is a Pandemic Traveler video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about where I've been or where you'd like me to go, feel free to ask. Pandemic Traveler, peace out.
Can you do these ones?